Here we are. I am working on repairs. I am Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle. Today is Monday, 21 July 2025, and I'll cover what I can in this video of this attempt. So I have my pack of hubcaps. I got 4-pack, 15-inch. The 15 on the tire is right here, so this means 15-inch. If you didn't know that. And I have the wire piece aligned with the notch, and that goes there as per my looking at it. And I'm at the stage of instruction where I need to hit it in place with a rubber mallet. So we'll see how this goes. I'll cover part of it, and if it doesn't, I don't finish in the video, I'll still show after done with repairs. And this is my 2010 Toyota Corolla LE that I named Lepton. So let's see. Can you see the color? You can't quite tell with the setup. There we go. Okay. So there's that part, and it needs to be here. It's supposed to be this way, but I don't think. Let's try it like this and see if this works. So the thing here is I don't want to break. This is for putting air in the tires. So I'm guessing. So I had to guess before. All right, hold in place and then do. I don't know if they fit. Or it's supposed to be snug, isn't it? And so it continues. We'll see.